Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your gaming experience on the Xbox Series X. We found the Lizard Skins DSP Grip for Xbox X/S controllers, and you can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Lizard Skins DSP Grip? This is a specialized grip designed specifically for Xbox Series X and S controllers. The grip features a thickness of just 0.5 mm, which is perfect for maintaining the sleek profile of your controller while adding an extra layer of comfort and control. Lizard Skins has tailored this product for gamers who want more from their grips without compromising on style or comfort. One of the standout features of this grip is its pre-cut pieces that make installation a breeze. You can have your controller fitted and ready to go in 3 minutes or less. This means you can spend less time fiddling with the installation and more time enjoying your favorite games. The grip is made from ultra-comfortable, slip-resistant material, which helps to prevent your hands from slipping during those intense gaming sessions. Who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a casual gamer who enjoys playing on weekends or a professional esports player, the Lizard Skins DSP Grip is designed to meet your needs. Its comfortable texture and added grip can be a game-changer for anyone looking to improve their performance. In practical terms, this grip is perfect for long gaming sessions. If you find that your hands get sweaty or tired after prolonged use, the slip-resistant feature will help you maintain a firm hold on your controller, ensuring that you won't lose control at a crucial moment. Additionally, the variety of colors available, including this vibrant teal, allows you to personalize your controller to match your style or gaming setup. In summary, if you're looking for a way to enhance your gaming experience on the Xbox Series X, the Lizard Skins DSP Grip is a fantastic option. With its easy installation, comfort, and slip-resistant features, it caters to both casual and professional gamers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.